Imagine it's June 28, 1914, and Franz Ferdinand steps off his car in Sarajevo without a bullet grazing his collar. The would-be assassin hesitates, distracted by the Archduke's unexpected kindness toward a local child. That single instance bears the heir to the throne, kicking off a chain reaction that forever alters Central Europe's fate. Within weeks, Franz Ferdinand convenes secret talks with Czech leaders in Prague and Croatian deputies in Zagreb. His wife, Sophie, inspires him to push a bold agenda. He aims to transform the dual monarchy into a genuine federation of national provinces. He proposes equal representation in Vienna's parliament and grants real autonomy to Galicia, Bosnia and Slovakia, areas long simmering with resentment. The Hungarian elite bristles at first, fearing loss of power, yet Franz Ferdinand plays his trump card. A new imperial council, where Magyar, German, Czech and South Slav delegates hold joint veto over Vienna's budget. Nobles realized that granting measured self-rule could stave off revolution, and I could keep their feudal privileges intact under a reformed crown. By mid-1915, the Habsburg Federal Act enshrines local languages in schools, guarantees religious freedom for Orthodox Serbs, Protestants and Jews, and builds rail links from Trieste to Lemberg. Prosperity returns as timber, coal, and grain flow freely across internal borders. Vienna blossoms as a cultural melting pot, where Rilke and Congo collaborate on stage and page. Meanwhile, Europe breathes easier. Kaiser Wilhelm II observes Austro-Hungary's calm unity and chooses diplomacy over confrontation. Tsar Nicholas, facing no immediate Balkan crisis, postpones army mobilization. Britain and France, relieved by the absence of a Balkan flashpoint, focus on trade with the new Central European Common Market. The Great War never ignites. Fast forward to 1930, a flourishing Habsburg Federation stands alongside a stable Germany. Without the Versailles bitterness, no extremist movements seize power. The fascists in Italy remain fringe veterans clubs. Harry remarks years later that a strong Central European bloc prevented the ideological void that nurtured totalitarianism elsewhere. In our present day, the Habsburg legacy endures as a model for European Union's future. Its 9 national provinces, each with elected assemblies, celebrate a shared currency and free border crossings. Croatian jazz bands perform in Budapest cafes. Slovak scientists co-lead renewable energy labs in Vienna. The cultural tapestry feeds innovation, while a collective foreign policy ensures regional security without NATO's overhead. All because a single misfired shot in Sarajevo never found its mark. From that near miss, a vision of unity overcame centuries of division. We now live in a Europe where many voices, one crown isn't just a relic of empire, it's a living blueprint for cooperation, reminding us how fragile turning points can reshape the entire world.